crypto influencers is just about staying informed. Let's discover how their insights could potentially multiply your crypto earnings. This is the fifth and final video in our series. I'm Eva for MemeFi, and today we're exploring how to get maximum value from following crypto influencers. First, let's talk about real-time information advantage. When CZ tweets about a new listing on Binance or Michael Saylor shares his Bitcoin strategy, you're getting market-moving information instantly. This early access could mean the difference between catching an opportunity or missing out. But here's the key to success. Don't just follow one voice. Create a balanced information diet. Technical analysts for market movements. Industry leaders for trend prediction. Security experts for protecting your assets. Project founders for innovation insights. Economic analysts for macro perspective. Here's how to effectively use influencer content. Cross-reference information from multiple sources. Focus on those with proven track records. Look for detailed analysis, not just predictions. Watch for consensus among different experts. Use their insights as part of your research, not your only source. Warning signs to watch for: excessive promotion of small cap tokens, promises of guaranteed returns, paid promotions without proper disclosure, lack of technical or fundamental analysis, pushing FOMO instead of education. Remember, the best influencers teach you how to fish rather than giving you fish. They help you understand market mechanics, not just tell you what to buy or sell. Pro tip: create a dedicated list or feed for your chosen influencers to ensure you never miss crucial updates. Tools like TweetDeck can help organize your crypto information flow effectively. What's your experience with crypto influencers? Which ones have helped you most? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more crypto insights that could help boost your trading success.